Hey there. If you've been noticing your hair getting thinner, your hairline starting to recede, or you just lost confidence looking in the mirror, I get it. You're not alone. And there is a solution that looks natural, real, and long-lasting. I'm Moses Jones, a scalp micropigmentation expert. I've had the privilege of working with Bosley, traveling across the country and helping clients in cities nationwide regain their confidence, one session at a time. Now, I'm bringing that same experience right here to Las Vegas and Orange County. Through a simple one-on-one consultation, I'll listen to your concerns, understand your goals, and show you how scalp micropigmentation can help you look and feel your best again. Whether you want to fill in thinning areas, restore your hairline, or create that clean, modern buzz cut look, we'll find the perfect solution for you. So if you're ready to take the first step toward a more confident you, I invite you to book your consultation today. Let's sit down, talk about what's bothering you, and create a plan that gives you back control and confidence.